trout, and there is a connection between our full moon that happens overnight and fishing. It's supposed to be one of the best 3 days of fishing this month with this full moon. Trails to Trout tomorrow morning at the Tyler Nature Center. This is 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. Cloudy skies at 9 a.m. Morning will be cool with a north wind around 10 miles an hour. The afternoon, some sunshine, temperatures still cool in the lower 60s. Hey, tomorrow is Perihelion Day. It happens every year. This time it's around January 3rd. It is, believe it or not, when the Earth in its orbit around the sun comes closest to the sun at about 91.4 million miles. But who's counting, right? In July, it's farther away. So why isn't it warmer in the winter? Well, it all has to do with the Earth's axis being tilted at 23.5 degrees, and a tilt of that axis means that the sun angle is lower in the winter and higher in the summer. And so that lower sun angle in the winter means that we have cooler temperatures. So celebrate the perihelion tomorrow. Perihelion Day, by the way, in July it's called the aphelion. All right, new now next, fire outlook. Less wind, damp air tomorrow, but still a risk. We'll see some higher relative humidities, but that risk will be on the higher side thanks to just a little bit of wind that will come back in. Patchy fog overnight. It's frontal fog, so it's not widespread. It'll come through with the front and kind of settle its way southward between about 5 a.m. and 8 or 9 a.m., and then it moves out of here. Rain chances showing up later next week, maybe half-inch of rainfall. Not a lot, but any little bit will do. All right, weekend forecast. 51 in the morning, 63 by the afternoon. Some sunshine. Sunday, 63. A chilly morning, but it'll feel better by the afternoon. All of this cloud cover. Now, some of it's fog, but most of it will be cloud cover. That little thin layer of fog will exist from Linden down toward Mineola and Tyler and move southward. Could even see a little spit of drizzle or a little bit of mist. By the afternoon, we're clearing off back to sunshine, but the north winds will make it sweatshirt worthy tomorrow with temperatures in the 60s. Sunday morning, there's a chill in the air. Look how chilly at Mineola and Sulphur Springs, 36. 38 down at Center. Sunday afternoon, southeast winds return, and we'll see highs warming back into the mid-60s. And then Sunday morning, or Monday morning, I should say, closer to 50 degrees. We'll warm back into the 70s Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Then late next week, the rainy pattern begins to set up as this low pressure area moves across the Rockies, taps into some Gulf moisture, also brings in some Pacific moisture. Right now, it looks like we could see rain. We pushed it back to Thursday as the system is a little more progressive. Thursday, maybe into Friday and into the weekend. All right, future temperatures starting off tomorrow morning. Not bad in the 50s, but not much of a warm up thanks to the north winds. By noon, we're up to 55. By the afternoon, low 60s. Some areas that hang on to the clouds along the Louisiana border may not get out of the 50s. And then Sunday morning, just a chill in the air, 30s and 40s across the area. Here's your Baylor Scott & White Texas Spine Joint Hospital's 7-day forecast. 63 morning clouds, afternoon sunshine, 63 on Sunday, 72 Monday, upper 70s Tuesday and Wednesday. And then the morning showers coming in Thursday and staying with us off and on into Friday with a 30% chance for some evening showers that may carry us over into the following weekend. So tonight at 6, we'll take a look at the 10-day forecast and see if those rain chances can stretch in to the weekend. Boy, we need the rain, but it may be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days before we even have a chance to see any rain. So remember, avoid that outdoor burning.